Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. And friends, there is a big news which is coming here from Infosys. Infosys has scheduled the exam date on 11th of October, that is next week now, and the interview is on 12th of October. Now, this email one of the student has got, and he is from 2024 batch. Now you also check your email and let us know in the comment section if your exam is postponed, right? So here you see Friday 3rd of October 10:54 Infosys Freshers Recruitment, okay, talent.equation or at infosys.com, okay, Infosys Recruitment. So dear candidate, thank you for applying for Infosys off-campus recruitment drive for the role of system engineer trainee. You have been shortlisted for the test process. Please note that the test date has been revised and it will now be conducted on Saturday 11th of October 2025, followed by interviews on Sunday 12th of October 2025 for those who clear the test process. Kindly plan your travel accordingly. Details of the venue and time slot will be shared in a few days. In case of any queries, please write to us. Recruitment related email sent to any other email address will not be responded to. We look forward to interacting with you. So friends, it's a great opportunity if your exam has been postponed, because you will get more time to prepare. Now already we have uploaded lot of videos on our channel. Go through it, and if you have still not got this Infosys crash course, then friends, it's the time you should and must get, because now the test is also included here, you see. So full length test has been also included, right? So already previous year questions were there. So Infosys mock test, you see, where is the content? So 2 tests we have added currently, Infosys mock test, right? And inside this, if you'll go, you will be able to see also live mock test has been also updated. Okay, if you go down, live mock test, you see. So there are 2 mock test has been updated currently. So already Infosys test series 1, Infosys test series 2. So test, PDFs, free content, top 50 questions, each and everything has been covered. So please don't waste your time. Start the preparation right now. This is a wonderful opportunity, don't miss. And please let us know in the comment section if your exam is also postponed or you have exam tomorrow. Please do update. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. This link is in description. Don't regret later. Start your preparation today itself. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.